Yes. In some games like chess and wrestling, there will be laye bane, laye bane. One player, two players. Yes, there are two players only. Hmm. Yes, yes, like football. Yes, and basketball. Huh. Two groups from the players. Two groups from the players play. Two groups from the player play. Yes. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Is there Amna? Amna attended the class. Amna. Rimsha. Rimsha. Start reading. Start reading. Nahnu zahibuna. No, no. From here. Or here nahnu zahibuna. Hasbe. Hasaba zauqina. Hmm. وشوقنا. बस. Now, अरे it is another sentence. Hasba zauqina wa shauqina. Yes, till here. Now translate it quickly. Yes, we go to, we male and female go to see. Rimsha, Rimsha, voice is not coming. Yes, to read na. Nadia, translate the sentence. नहनो ज़ाहिबूना व ज़ाहिबातुन लिमुशाहिदतिल अलाबिल मुख्तलिफते हस्ब ज़ौक़िना व शौक़िना. What what started? Voice is not coming to you all. Ramsha, complete the sentence quickly. Rimsha Kausar. Nahnu, Nahnu means we. Zahibuna. What is the meaning of Zahibun? Going, to go. तो Nahnu Zahibuna, we go, we male and female. है ना जाहिबूना वो जाहिबातुन both are coming to male and female go to see different games according to our taste and desire. According to our taste and desire, we go to see different type of games. Now clear? No one's voice is coming. What is the problem? Next sentence, Rimsha, leave. Now the next one. Anabia. Anabia Shanwaz. Anabia, start reading. Yafrahu. From where you are reading, Anabia? Isma Anwar. Isma. Isma Anwar. Isma voice is not coming.
What we will do, I am sharing the paper on WhatsApp as well as I am sharing on the
My voice is breaking. Your voice is not coming. What is breaking? I am telling you that you have to translate to you are not doing. Kusum. Kusum Rahman. Kusum Rahman voice is coming. Kusum, my voice is coming to you. So why am not reading? I am telling you to read. Why am not reading? Yes. Faraha yafrahu means to be happy. Yafrahul mushahiduna ul mushahidatu. The audience uh, will be are happy with good sport. Bil alabil jayyadati. Yes. With good sports, good games, sports. Yes. Yes. The government. The government offers or gives. تقدم. Yes. Facilities to male and female players. Players. من الحكومة. Yes, Amna, translate this sentence. يحصل اللاعب الفائز أو اللاعبة الفائزة. Amna, translate this sentence. Quickly. Amna, voice is coming. Amna Rehan. हाँ तो translate it. Last sentence. Translate last sentence quickly. Very good. Now, the time is already 11. I am sharing the paper. Who? Isma? Yes. Who? I am sharing paper on WhatsApp as well. You are. Alal Jawaizi. Allah is there. Alal Jawaizi. Allah after Harfejar there should be Majroor. Alal Jawaizi. Hmm. Wal Hadaya. Yes. Hmm. Male and female player. The winning male and female player. A liable prize or hmm. Rewards and gifts. Rewards and gifts from the government. Okay. Jawais, rewards and hadaya gifts from the government. Okay. Now under this chapter there is written ism file. Okay. Ism file is a noun which is derived from the fail, and tells about the doer of that fail only. What I said? I said isme file is a noun which is taken out from the verb root letters of the verb, which is made from the root letters of the verb, like I am doing here ismo file. What is isme file? It is coming under it. It is a noun. File is the doer. Okay, and it comes in jumla failure. You know very well. It comes in jumla failure. But isme file is another thing, other word. It is derived from the root letters of verb to show the person who do that work. Like I am telling that Zahibun is the person who goes, who do the work of going, है ना? Or you are saying Katibun. What is the meaning of Katibun? Writer. The person who writes is called Katibun. Okay? And Jalesun. What is the meaning of Jalesun? The person who sits is called Jalesun. Okay? Katibun, Zahibun, Jalesun, Sami'un. The person who is listening is called Sami'un. Okay? You will find that isme file comes on this pattern only. Fa'ilun, Katibun, on the pattern of Fa'ilun. It comes on the pattern of Fa'ilun. Okay, they are called isme file. And you know that Katibun is the person, one person who do the work of writing. So one who is reading, we cannot tell him Katibun. Can we say? Eh? Can the person who is reading, can we tell him Katibun? No, he will be called Qariyun. Okay, what he will be called? Qariyun. He will be, yes, the person who is sitting is called Jalisun, but the person who is standing will be called Waqifun. Will not be called Jalisun. One who is standing will not be called Jalisun. Here always will be said Waqifun, Qaimun. The person who is going, it will be Zahibun. The person who is sitting on his place will not be called Zahibun. So uh, this is the person who is doing that special work is called isme file, Samiun. Like Fatima is listening, so she is Fatimatu Sami'atun. But when she is not listening, she is not Sami'atun. Fatimatu Sami'atun. Okay. Hamidun Waqifun. When Hamid was standing, so I said that Hamidun Waqifun. When he is sitting, so I will say that Hamidun Jalisun. He said, so I will say that Hamidun Jalisun. Okay. So this is isme file. And file is the doer. I am saying that Jalasa Hamidun, in one time anyone can do, any person can do so many things. Like Hamidun, Katibun, Waqariun, है ना? Maybe he is reading, he can read, he can write. But Katibun is the person only that who is doing the work of reading. Katibun who is writing is called Katibun. If he is not writing, he will not be called. Okay, so many isme file came here on that pattern. So quickly you have to underline that words which are coming as isme file. इसमें फाइल विल बी ऑन द दिस पैटर्न जाहिबुन, है ना। एंड फॉर मुजक्कर जाहिबुन, फॉर मुअन्नस जाहिबतुन। फर्स्ट फर्स्ट इज पाइजुन, जाहिबुन, जाहिबतुन, जाहिबतुन, कातिबुन, कातिबतुन, एंड जालिसुन, जालिसतुन। फॉर मुजक्कर मुजक्कर, मुअन्नस मुअन्नस, सामियन सामिउन, मुजक्कर, सामिअतुन, मुअन्नस। Round ta will be added like that. Zahibun, one is there, so zahibun will be there. Two are there, so it will be zahibane, musanna sigha will come, and zahibane. And jama are there, so zahibuna will be there. Okay, like mushahiduna, you are looking, mushahiduna, mushahidatun, zahibatun, zahiban, zahibuna, zahibatun, laibane, it is coming musanna. ओके, तो जाहिबाने जाहिबूना, और जाहिबतुन जाहिबताने, एंड जाहिबातुन, जाहिबताने एंड जाहिबातुन। तो 6 सिगाज आर कमिंग। क्विकली यू कैन राइट जाहिबुन, जाहिबाने, जाहिबूना, जाहिबतुन, जाहिबताने, जाहिबातुन। 6 सिगाज कम्स, 3 फॉर मुजक्कर, 3 फॉर मुअन्नस। Okay, understood? This is called isme fa'il, noun which is made from root letter of verb, and indicates to the person who has done the work, is called isme fa'il, is called isme fa'il. And there are 6 sigas of isme fa'il, one for muzakkar mufrad, मुसन्ना मुजक्कर, जमा मुजक्कर, एंड फिर देन मुअन्नस, तो मुअन्नस मुफरद, मुअन्नस मुसन्ना, मुअन्नस जमा। जाहिबुन, जाहिबाने, जाहिबूना, जाहिबतुन, जाहिबताने, जाहिबातुन। ओके, हैव रिटन? Yes girls, have written? Eh? Okay, I am writing here. Quickly you have to write. Zahibun for mufrad. This comes for mufrad muzakkar. This is mufrad, है ना? And this comes for, this is wahid. I am writing here wahid. This is musanna, musanna. This is jama, and muzakkar. You have to write like that: muzakkar, mufrad, musanna, jama. Muannas, here write muannas, muannas, zahibun, zahibatun. अब now musanna will come, zahibane, जाहिबताने, जाहिबूना, जमा comes जाहिबूना, all of you have written? Zahibun, Zahibane, Zahibuna, Zahibatun. Arab should be written clearly. Ha will have Zahibuna and Zahibatun, Zahibatane, Zahibatun. Okay. how it is made? It is made from zahaba, है ना? Zahaba, the person who is going is called zahibun. If mufrad is there to zahibun, musanna is there to zahibane, jama is there to zahibuna. Zahibuna. Okay. Zahibatun, zahibatane, zahibatun. Albanatu zahibatun, the girls are going. Translation will be albintane zahibatane, albintu zahibatun. Alwaladu zahibun, alwaladane zahibane, al auladu zahibuna. Understood? There are इसमें six sigas of इसमें फाइल. So how it will be made? It will be made on the pattern of fa'ilun. On the pattern of fa'ilun. Ism file comes on the pattern of fa'ilun. Okay, this is pattern. And if it is coming more than 3 letter, we are saying that verb has 3 letters: dal, ha, ba, kharaja, kharaja, lam, ain, ba, laiba. If more than 3 letter verb is coming more than 3 letter, like shahada, so shahada will come on the pattern of muzara, है ना? On the yushahidu, shahada yushahidu, as it is coming. Is it? Yes, I am raising. I am. Yes. More than 3 letter, so it will come on the pattern of muzara, and like shahada yushahidu, shahada yushahidu, yushahidu. Now look carefully. The mim has is having zamma, and ha is having kasra, and it is coming like that. This ya will be changed with mim, and then it will be mushahidun. Okay. This is isme file. Now as you will find munazzemun is coming nazzama yunazzimu, munazzimun, nazzama yunazzimu, munazzimun. This is also ism file. Now do quickly. Now you have to underline. Have you underlined? Allaibu, najihun, faizun, sadiqun, munazzimun, salimun, and hamilun, laibane. No, I am not telling again, because you have to. I am telling you that you have to pick out quickly. After that I will see, and you have to show me that on WhatsApp group. Fariqan, how fariqan will be there? Fariqun, after fa alif is there. It is on the pattern of fa'ilun. Huh? It is on the pattern of fa'ilun. Fariqun. Show me where is that. It is. They have same pattern. Fariqun. Tell me. Huh? Who said fariqun? Yes. Yes. Understood? All of you are have written? Nashra? Okay. Now, now we have to go do exercise. Maza yaksebul laibu. Maza yaksebul laibu. Al Izzata. Who is reading? Al Izzata. It should be Al Izzata, not Al Izzato, because it is not file. Al Izzato is file. Al- yes. Second question. Halil laibo munazzamun liawqatihi. Halil laibo munazzamun liawqatihi. Yes. 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 Naba. Quickly. नाम अवकातिही. ओके. कम लाइबन यू जदो फिल मुसारे अति. कम लाइबन यू जदो फिल मुसारे अति. इन रेसलिंग हाउ मेनी players will be? Two. तो यू जदो फिल मुसारे अति लाइबानी. यू जदो फिल मुसारे अति लाइबानी. मन यो मन यूति लाइबीना फायजीना अल जवाइज वल हदाया. मन यूति. तोती. तोती. हाँ. हलिल हुकूमत तुकद्दिमु तस्हीलातिन लिल्लाइबीन. नाम. नाम अल हुकूमत तुकद्दिमु तस्हीलातिन लिल्लाइबीन. ओके. इमलाइल फरागा बे इसमें फ़ाइलिन मुनासिबिन मिनल अफ़ालिल मज़कूरति फ़िल क़ौसैन. You have to fill in the blank space by using the verb is coming, and you have to uh, derive ism file from these verbs. Yes, make ism file from these verbs. Al jasadu salim. Yes. Who married? No, no, this is not way. Correct way. If you have answered any question, so after that you should wait. Give the chance the next one. Tell your name first. Isma, you didn't do anything. Do quickly, because it is easy to take from book. That's why you are ready. And that time I was telling you that you have to translate, so you are not doing. Isma, do quickly. Just this Salimu. Yes.